Today we'll talk about how can you find learning strategy on your Reverso contacts app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When just click here in this sign, sorry. When just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings here. When just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. You come here to learn strategy here. Just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. And here can you find this list here, learn strategy in this list on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you agree. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.